taking a screenshot within Chrome without having to install any other extensions. Start by typing the following in the address bar. Once you've typed in Chrome://flags/, then hit enter to get here. Next, type in screenshot in the search box. You'll see it pop up here. Select to enable. Also check this one for enable. And in order for it to take effect, you need to relaunch the browser. So we'll do that next. And once the browser reopens, now under the share this page, if you click it, you'll see screenshot. Select it, and you can now take a screenshot of every part or any part of the screen. It tells you that this is experimental. It's been now downloaded to your clipboard. To see what's been downloaded to the clipboard, let me just simply open up someplace where I can paste what's been saved to the clipboard. I've opened up a new email. Let's see what's in that clipboard by doing a right click and selecting paste. And there is what I selected. So you don't need to install a separate screenshot capture program. Just make this simple change in your Google settings, and you'll be able to take a screenshot anytime you're within the Chrome browser. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.